What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Sorry. Oh, hey, what's up, April? Oh yeah, you can't make the stream today. That's okay, man. That's okay. I'll catch you on the other side for sure. Enjoy the weekend. Yeah. What's up, Zach? Auditioning's here. Nice. A boss. What's up, dude? Henry. Nice. I forgot who the Flying Ruffian is. Is that Skills? Is that Tejas? Yeah, Bob. I think I did get your application, dude. I haven't opened any of them yet. Dude, thanks, Henry. I know. I'm so excited. I'm like the happiest dude ever, for real. Yeah. Okay, cool. So this is, you can email me if you want to apply. And I want to stress again, I'm really only going to do a handful, but it's going to be pretty chill. I'll be announcing it either over the weekend or Monday. Yeah. Why is there an ad before the chat? Because I monetized, Venna. I made it. We pushed it over the line. That's what's up. What's up, miscellaneous? Hey, Bob. Tammy's here too. What's up? Yeah. Ricky, what's up, dude? So yeah, just email me there. And yeah, we'll get going. Leo, how much am I earning? I have no idea. Like, they don't release the analytics right away. It's only been a day. That's cool, Ricky. It's all good, man. Dude, today's your birthday, Mason. What's up, dude? Happy birthday. That's awesome, man. Congratulations. You did it. Another year of staying alive. Good job, man. Okay. So yeah, I have some questions that we can start with. It's going to be some math. I put together some questions that we could do. Wise Matt's here. What's up, dude? Yeah. So I'm like this week was like crazy. How was your guys' week? I'm like so ready for it to be Saturday. Even though I have to work a little bit, it doesn't matter. Get to sleep in. Cool. Animation Space, what's up? What's up? Oh, Rodney's in. What's up, Rodney? Yeah. Thanks. Ready for the test. Nice, Mason. Nice. 2 live streams. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, yeah, this week was like trash. Oh, really? Was it? Yeah, that happens, dude. That's just life, man. Yeah. A million sub YouTube channel or 1,000 sub channel. I don't know. This is like a boutique stream, Animation Space. Maybe you can like open 2 tabs and like do that. You failed the math test? That's pretty tight, Aniket. Oh, Rachel, I just got your email. Nice. A little bit of testing here. Yeah, dude. Well, miscellaneous. We missed you, bro. You failed your Spanish test? Estás muy mal, dude. Estás muy mal. Okay. Yeah, okay. So that's pretty much my intro, dudes. I was like, I don't know what's up with me today. I'm like dragging, but we're going to get going real quick because this has got to be fresh. Only the freshest. Only the freshest. Okay. So I'm going to be presenting you guys with some questions. I don't really have any numbered questions today, which I guess is kind of my bad, but whatever. We're just going to get started just with some math stuff. Also, if you guys have any requests of things that you guys want to work on, anything specifically, a lot of people are always like trig or geometry or permutations or whatever it is that you want to work on. Let's get it. So let's start with the first problem, yeah? All right, this one's a good one. And they're going to get pretty hard, I'll tell you that. All right, first one. The square root of 5 times the value of rad 6 times the value of rad 10 times rad 3, parentheses, brackets, to the power of -1. Mhm. Questions. Line graph related stuff? Okay, we can do that. Line graphs are tough, man. Like number lines and stuff. Oh, we did this yesterday? My bad. No, did we really? That's cool, Surrey. Yay. Did we do this yesterday, bros? Am I not remembering ththings? All right. Well, people are throwing in answers, so I'll just go ahead and write them down. 5 from Diallo. It's a cool name. Answer is 5. Tejas has 6. I don't know why I just called you Jajas. Jajas. You never learned this? We'll go over it. Don't even trip. 1, 6. That's Saggy. Nice. What's up, Saggy? Let's see. We did this yesterday. Oh. So who can go back to yesterday's stream really quick and find this answer? That's the real winner here. I'll give you guys 10 more seconds. Because I don't want to spend too long on this one if we potentially did it yesterday. Tejas, you already said your answer, dude. Auditioning. Well, that's pretty good. Okay, so let's go over this. So a lot of you guys, there's two concepts at play here. We have the negative radical concept, and we also have combining these radical concepts. So don't be tripping, Rachel, I got you. So one thing I want you to show you guys, which is pretty interesting, at least I think it was interesting when I learned it. Let's say we have something like this, where we have a bunch of radicals times each other. This is something you can do. Like if it's multiplication that's involved, you can do this, okay? And then this is able to be broken down a little bit further, and we could say that this is 5 times 2 times 10 is 5 times 2. So then we have our perfect square here, we have a perfect square here, so what we end up with is 5 times 2, or 10. So that's something you can do with radicals, so just keep that in mind. If it's multiplication, same thing with division. Like if I have the division of, like, let's just say 9/16, something like this, you can just say straight up that that's the square root of 9 over the square root of 16, and that's just going to be 3 over 4, okay? That's just something you can do. Okay. Everybody's so excited for the ads, dude. That's crazy. Yeah, I can't believe it, dude. Normally it takes like 2 months to be approved, and they approved me in like 3 days. I was like, whoa, that is crazy. Okay, so back to the problem. So what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be combining them, pretty much, the radicals, and then we'll talk about the negative one. Let me get a piece of paper to write on, because I already marked this one up. All right, cool. So check this out. Let's do the inside the parentheses first. What that ends up becoming is the square root of, and I'm really going to break this apart. I'm going to say 2 times 5 times 3, because this here is 2 times 5, and that rad 3 is the rad 3. I put the radical over the whole thing. So now I'm going to multiply it by the rad 6, and rad 6, as you know, is the same thing as rad 2 times 3. So rad 2 times 3 times 2 times 5 times 3. You know I'm like tired when I'm not like even using the grid. Like look at that. That's so bad. Okay, so let me get it together here. All right, so this is 2 times 3 times 5 times 2 times 3. All right, so that's a 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, that's out of order, but whatever. So then now we multiply it by the rad 5, and we throw that rad 5 in here. I hope you guys see where this is going. 5 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 2 times 3. So now I'm going to put these in the right order so you can see how you can break down the square root. So this would be the same thing as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. Okay. So that is looking pretty good, actually. That's looking really good. But I made a mistake because I actually can't do this, because this is in brackets. I totally forgot. And that's a -1. So now we have to take, I'm sorry, I'm like out of it today. Sorry, bros. Okay, so that is what we have to do first. Order of operations says we have to do the exponent first, and that's kind of where the problem is. So let's do that exponent first. So how do negative exponents work? Well, if we have something where it's like 2 to the -2nd, that's the same thing as saying 1 over 2 squared, or 1 over 4. Also, if we have like 1 over 3 to the -2, that's the same thing as 3 squared, or 9. So pretty much when you have a negative exponent, you need to do the reciprocal of it and then just make your negative positive. That's how this goes down. Okay. Let me see. Sorry, dudes. I'm kind of like all over the place today. No, you're not late, Shad. Dude, that Area 51 raid, I don't even think happened. I don't even think it's real. It's like turning into like a rock concert or something. Okay, so let me go back and break this down to what we had. We had the square root of 5 times this bracket here, the square root of 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, and that is all to the -1. So that's the same thing as saying rad 5 times 1 over this radical here, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, There's our brackets. Cool. And so then if I simplify this, I'm going to put this rad 5 over top, rad 5 over top, and then that's a square root and that's a square root. So really it's 2 times 3 down here times rad 5. Once these cancel out, just like this, we're left with 1. So that's going to be 1 over 6 is the answer. That was a warm-up question for me. That was definitely a warm-up question for me, just because, yeah, I just feel so dough-brained. I mean, you guys were at school all day, but I was staring at code, so F me, right? Okay, here we go. Next is, let's stay with the radicals for now. Here we go. Guys, let's simplify the cubed root of 1728. The cubed root of 1728. Let's go. What's up, introvert? How's it going, man? This is the cubed root. This is a cubed root. Yeah, miscellaneous. Just think of it. Okay, we got some answers coming in. I should have seen that. 12. We got Bob. We have Ruffian. We have Rachel. Nice. Auditioning. Saggy. Anaket. Rodney. Dude, the chat is unreal today. Leo. Nice. Nice. Introvert. Shade. Dude. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's Tammy. That's perfect. What's your fast strat, introvert? Hit me with it. Shade. Did I already get you? No. Shade. Oh, dude, you guys can't even see. Yeah. Good job, everybody. Animation space. Cool. I send an email a bit. All right, cool. Thanks, Matt. Matt, got you, dude. Nice. But I had a question on my math test today and I had to simplify, but I didn't for 2 to the 12 to the 7th, Henry. Dude, there's actually a question later on in the stream that's going to be like that. Okay, cool. So yeah, exactly, Sagi. So guys, when you're dealing with cubed roots, now this may not be on your test, but it could be. They could sneak it in. So when we're doing square roots, like let's just say the square root of 4, something we all know, right? I could just jump to say it's 2, but like I did in the last one, you can break it down into its factors and then take the square root of it then. With the cubed root, you got to take 3 in a row, not just 2. So we have to break this down to see what it breaks down into. So I know 1728, that can probably be divided by 6. I'm actually really positive it could be divided by 6. 2, 12, 52. That would be, I know how to do that. Hold on. That's 9 would be 54. 8. 8 times 8 is 48. So then that would be a difference of 48. Oh, great. 288. So it breaks down into 6 and 288. This breaks down into 2 and 144. And this breaks down into 12 and 12. And that's where I stop. Because this is a 12, this is a 12, and this is a 12. So another way to say the cubed root of 1728 is the cubed root of 12 times 12 times 12. And that's a perfect cube, so yeah, our answer is 12. The chat absolutely has it. Yeah, it also works for square roots. Yeah, that's exactly it. Nice. Okay, cool. So here's an interesting one, and I don't know if you guys will be able to solve this, but I'm interested to see if you can. Solve for x, please. Remember to have fun and listen to your heart. I chose 6 wiki because I built the problem and I knew 6 would go into it, but a lot of times you just have to keep dividing it by 2. All right, I'll give you guys like another minute on this one, then we'll get going. Ha ha ha. Introvert. Potentially. Bob. And Rachel. Wow. You guys are good. Rodney, check your answers, bro. But I see you. Bro. Ruffian. I forget. Is that skills? It's like mystery. Auditioning. Yep, quadratics. That's exactly it, bro. Miscellaneous. Introvert. Rodney. Nice. Shade. Dude, unreal. Leo. So, dude, let me ask: did you guys get this through factoring, or did you guys get this through just like staring at it and like figuring numbers? Like, how did you do this? I don't know, Rachel. You gotta listen. You gotta listen to your heart there, Tammy. Like, how did you guys get this? Was this factoring? Completing the square, Bob, dude. If you have a question about that, that's like SAT material. That's like way past SHSAT. Yeah, exactly, Tammy. So you guys did do the factoring. Yeah, exactly, the flying ruffian. Wow, you guys use factoring? Shad, what'd you put, dude? I didn't even see it. Oh no, I see you, dude. All right. All right, so there's two ways to do this. The first way is just kind of stare at it. Like, look at that. X squared plus 4x equals a negative 4. So if that's negative 1, that's going to equal 0. If it's negative 2, that works, and you're done. You know what I mean? That's good, Rachel. Oh, Henry's got it too. All right, I got you, Henry. So yeah, you could just look at it and just start figuring it out. X needs to be negative. It has to be negative. Okay, so another way you could do this is by factoring. And the way you can do that is to make it equal to 0. Now, this, I'm not going to spend too much time on this because this is not going to be on your test. But it's worth knowing. So if you have to solve an x squared and you have an x in it too, a lot of people just want to factor out that x and get something, but it's really not going to work. You have to do it like this, where you set it equal to 0, at least at first, until you get better. Then you have to ask yourself, what two numbers multiply to equal this and add to equal this? And the answer is going to be 2 and 2. Okay, so now we have a really nice kind of quadratic like factoring right here. Yeah, so now it's like factoring, you know what I mean? Like once we factored here, all we have to do is think, if this equals 0, the whole thing equals 0. If this equals 0, the whole thing equals 0. So if x equals negative 2, yeah, that left side's going to equal 0, and we're good to go. So yeah, you guys actually got it. Really nice. All right. Next. Okay. All right. Are you guys ready for a really hard one, or should I do an easier one first? Let's do a word problem, because you guys haven't done a word problem. Yeah, dude, Rusum, I'm so pumped. Next week is when I'm going to be dropping all the 1,000 stream stuff. I've been working hard this week, bros. Trust. All right, here we go. A bake sale is selling gems and raw leather. The gems sold twice as well as the leather. In total, 138 items were sold all day. If gems cost $1 and leather cost $4,000 each, I guess, and leathers cost, the leather cost each $4,000. All right, so you see what I'm saying? How much did the bike sale cost if gems each cost $1? I'm just seeing that now. All right, so let's get it, guys. Let's go. No, I said you were skills, ruffian. Dude, Rusum, why are you getting car insurance ads, dude? Are you looking at cars online and stuff? Are you like buying a car? Ah, Bob. Okay, buddy. All right. Why would they sell that at a bake sale? I don't know. You got to ask them, sorry. All I know is that they're doing their best to try to make some money on the side, and I respect the hustle. If you want to call it a bake sale and just sell leather, more power to you. That's weird, Rusum. I don't know, bro. Henry, I don't know, bro. I'm not in charge of this bake sale. I mean, I kind of am. All right, first answer's in the bucket here. 184092. And that is auditioning. Nice, bro. Ruffian. Aniket. Yeah, I appreciate the comma use, Aniket. That actually helps a lot. No lie. Segi. Bob. Leo. Ricky. Nice. I'll give you guys like another 30 seconds on this one, then we'll go over it. Zeden. What's up, Zeden? Yeah, dude. Shad. I see you, bro. Ricky. I already got you. Nice. Henry. Rodney. Dude, yeah, leather does cost a lot. Very fancy. Okay, that's enough. 3 minutes. All right, dudes. So yeah, I did throw crazy prices at this one. Shade, I got you. But that doesn't change what you have to do. So just because the prices are crazy, you gotta stay locked in. Okay, cool. So let's go through this. Yeah, this is going to be a system of equations. Okay. The gems sold twice as much as the leather. That means the amount of gems, and keep in mind, G equal the number of gems, okay? And L equals the number of leathers. So the number of gems is twice as much as the number of leathers. So first off, that's what's up. The second thing that we have to go through is that the number of gems plus the number of leathers is going to equal 138. Okay, cool. So this is our system of equations that we're dealing with. Now we can just substitute G in for 2L. So what we get is 3L, because 2L plus 1L equals 138. And now we have to do that division. 138 divided by 3. That's going to be 4, 12, 18, 6. So that means the number of leathers is 46. Now we need to find out the number of gems. Well, it's going to be twice that, and I happen to know that that's going to be 92. Twice of 46 is 92. So now we need to apply the prices because leathers are 4,000 each. So we have $4,000 and we sold 46 of them. And then these are $1 each, so that's just 92. The gem, why are the gems so unexpensive? You know what I mean? Like oh my gosh. The Flying Ruffian, you are singing a song? That's crazy. Okay. So yeah, we just have to figure out what this $4,000 is, multiplication style. That's going to be a 0, 0, 0, 24. That's going to be a 0, and then a 0, 0, 0, and 16. 0, 0, 0, 4, 8, 1. So then we just need to add 92 to this, and so we do get our answer 84092. Good job, chat. Dude, no one got it wrong. What is up? That is crazy. Okay, are you guys ready for a really hard problem? I'm tired of you guys getting everything right, so I'm going to give you a hard problem. I'm going to give you like 5 minutes to answer this. I know it's really short. You guys are shocked, but check this out. A bike is traveling at 2 meters a second. What is its speed in miles per hour? Use 1 meter equals 1.1 yards, and 1,760 yards equal 1 mile. Let's get it. You can play guitar, Bob? That's awesome, dude. Yeah, exactly, Henry. They're like costume jewelry or whatever they call that. I want to give you guys like 4.5 more minutes on this, though. Don't forget to smash that like button if you haven't already. Okay, 0.075. That's Bob. I'll give you guys 3.5 more minutes. Ruffian, 4.5. Nice, dude, nice. Very confident. I don't know, Bob. That's really slow, though. See you, Rusum. Peace out, bro. Point 0.9 from Leo. Bob, yeah, dude. Shade, 4.5. Nice. See you, Rusum. Auditioning. Got 0.45. Got you, dude. Ricky got 0.00125. Got you, dude. Ricky. Saggy. Nice. Shad. Cool. Auditioning. Alright, got you, dude. Nice. Okay, guys, I'll give you guys like 2 more minutes on this one. Just because I think it is. Oh, I'll give you 1 more minute. We'll stop at 4 minutes. How about that? He got caught up in the spam filter, Tejas. He'll be back. Rodney. Okay, guys. All right. That's about enough time. All right, cool. So this is something that the SHSAT tests. They test your ability to be able to solve unit conversions, and that's exactly what this is. So let me give you guys like a kind of a trick way to do this. So whenever you see or per, that means you're going to be dividing. So what we have is, let me do this in blue. We have 2 meters every 1 second. Okay, cool. So the first thing I'm going to do is to, what do I want to do? Do I want to turn this into miles yet? No, I'm not going to turn this into miles yet. All right, I am going to turn this into miles. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn this into yards. So notice the meters up top. I'm going to put 1 meter underneath 1.1 yards. Okay? Because if 1 meter equals 1.1 yard, then all I'm doing is multiplying it by quote unquote 1, because this is a value over a value that it's equal to. And when I do that, these units get crossed off. And so what I end up getting is 2.2 yards every 1 second. Okay, cool. So now I can try to change this into miles. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 1 mile is 1760 yards. So now my yards cross off, and what I end up getting is 2.2 miles every 1760 seconds. Okay, so that's the first kind of thing. Now we're in miles. I should probably change that to mile. So now we have our nice miles, and now we're going to change the second into hours. So 2.2 miles over 1760 seconds. Oh man. Okay, cool. So we know that 60 seconds is 1 hour, or is 1 minute. Wait. Yep, that's good to go. So what we end up getting is 2.2 times 60 2.2. Oh my gosh, hold on. Let me do this over here. 0, 12, 0, 0, 12, 0, 2, 1. Wait, no, that's a 3, 1, and then 1 decimal place, 132. So what we end up getting is 132 miles over 1760 seconds. Okay, cool. So now we need to, or actually, no, that's in minutes now. Dude, I'm so out of it today. What is up? Okay, cool. So then we need to multiply that by 60 minutes in 1 mile. So I'm going to multiply 132 times 60. 132 times 60. 0, 12, 18, 19, 6, 7, 9, 2, 0. So what we end up getting, because this is minutes, that would be hour, boy, is 7920 miles every 1760 hours. So now we need to see what this division actually yields us. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that is interesting. Yeah, that's true. That's super true, Ruffian. Nothing ever gonna keep you down. That's nice. Yeah, you just got caught in the spam filter, dude. So now we have to do the division. 7920 divided by 1760. I'm gonna just take a hint from these people up here that there's gonna be a 4 involved. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is 420. That's 28, 29, 30. That's 4, 7. That looks really good. So 0, 10, 8. That's now an 8. 7, 80. Okay, so we bring down that 0, 0.0, bring down that 0. And that's going to be a 5. That's just going to be more than this. So 5 times 0, 0, 6, 30, 35, 8, 30. Wait, no. Wait. Did that make sense? 35. Because then that would be an 8. But I know this is right. Oh, that's an 8. Yay. Okay, cool. So that was horrible. My math was horrible in this one. But yeah, we do end up with 4.5 miles per hour. Yeah, that's crazy. All right. So yeah, that one was really difficult, but congrats to the people who did get it. Sorry, my math is a little weird today. I'm just like kind of out of it. All right, so let's do this next one. A square has an area of 676 feet. What's the perimeter of the square? Yeah, thanks, Saggy. I see you, bro. Dude, so I was building DeepMind today. Like I was building further levels into it. I'm gonna release that really soon. Really, really soon. Oh yeah, my bad, dude. That's how bad I am today. I think area is volume. My gosh. Nice. Yeah, thanks, Saggy. Thanks for having my back, Saggy. That's twice now. You've helped me with the math. Yeah, Flying Ruffian. It's cubed. 676 feet cubed. So that means the unit of measurement is cubic feet. Okay, Saggy. Dude, you're helping me with my own math and you're answering these questions, bro. That is elite. Auditioning. Nice. Oh, the super chat's not available? Yeah, I don't know. I thought I enabled it, but I actually don't know. Yeah, and this would also be a cube. Dude, where was my brain when I was prepping today? Leo, I actually prepped for the stream too. Normally that's like the way to be, but so I saw that 14, Tammy. I saw that. I know auditioning. I know, bro. Oh man, 104 Shad. Okay, cool. That's enough time. That's definitely enough time. Animation, got you. All right, cool. Dude, I cannot believe today. All right, so let's keep going now. Let's keep cruising. So yeah, what we're going to be looking for is the square root of 676. 676. I know for a fact 2 goes into it. So 676 divided by 2, that's a 3. And then that is a 3 again, 16, and that's an 8. 338. That's going to be another 2, 338 divided by 2, 1, 2, 13, 6, 12, 18, 9. So that's going to be 169. And I actually believe that this is 13 and 13. So what we end up getting is 26 times 26 equals 767. That's 26 by 26. So what is the perimeter? It's going to be the side length times 4. So 26 times 4, 4, 8, 104. Yeah, you guys got it. Good job. Yeah, Tammy got caught. Yeah, Tammy got caught. It's okay, Tammy. All right, here's a good question that I made that I know is a good question. All right. Okay, here we go. A little bit of geometry. Back to basics here. Let's get it. Actually, I'll give you a timer. All right, cool. 2 half circles with diameters of 6 and 14. What is the perimeter of... Yeah, dude, that's so funny. That last question was so bad, wasn't it? There is no perimeter of a cube. I don't even know. I just meant the square face. Like, I was really I was obviously very rushed when I did this one. Sorry, Ricky. Sorry, everybody. I apologize to the world for that last question. But yeah, on to the next. I'll give you guys another 45 seconds on this one. Sometimes I'm just more concerned on making the number of questions right and not the quality of the questions right. So yeah, you'll just have to trust me on that one. All right, guys, 20 more seconds. (13 pi plus 14) from Venna. Sorry, Venna, you got in the hole there on my behind sheet. All right, cool. That's a minute 30. Whoa. Dude, 10 pi plus 8. That's Saggy. Saggy has been an absolute beast today. Think confusion, am I? Dude, 10 pi from the ruffian. Nice. Auditioning. Zach, what's up, Zach? Nice. Okay, cool. So yeah, I kind of want to go through this one because I think this one is kind of tough. But it's really 2 things. Half circles and then just being a little tricky. So we know the diameter of this half circle is 14. This one is 6. So that means if it was a whole circle, the whole circle would be 28 pi, and the whole circle for this guy would be 12 pi. Okay. Oh no, those are the diameters already. I thought they were radiuses. Bleh. So this will be 14 pi for the whole thing. This will be 6 pi for the whole thing, but it's not the whole thing. It's the half thing. So this is 7 pi, and this is 3 pi. Cool. So keep in mind that that's what this is. It's the big arc. Okay. So this is 6 pi. This is 7 pi. So together they're 10 pi. But what about this area here? What about this area here? Right? We have to account for those 2 zones. So we know that the whole thing is 14, and we know that 6 of it is covered by this. So the perimeter means the outside lines of a shape. So that's going to be 14 minus 6. That's going to be 10 pi plus 8. Nice, bros. Nice. Nice. Okay. Shade, I see you with that answer, dude. I just didn't do it in time. Okay, so here's a question that I think is kind of interesting. I wonder if you guys are going to have a problem with it or not. Great. What percentage of months in a year have less than 31 days? And you can give it to me as a percentage, or I guess you should give it to me as a percentage. Okay, 25% from shade. No, but this is something they may test you on. Like, because they test on weird things. Like, you have to know, for example, how many feet are in a yard. They will never give it to you. Yeah, so you have to know these kind of random things that they may spring on you. 0.416. 41.7. 34 from Shad. About 41%. I'll put you over here, Rodney. Nice. Okay, that's enough time. 54.3 repeating. Interesting. 54.3 repeating. And that is Leo. Nice. All right, cool. So let's do this up. So guys, you have to know the month. You have to know the months on this one. That's so funny. So 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31. So that's how I know it, that like song. So 30 days have September, April, June, and November. So that's 4. Okay. But you guys forgot February, which has less than 31 for sure. That's 5. Okay. So how many have less than 31 days? So that's 5 out of 12. Okay, so now I need to change this into a percentage. So 12, I can multiply by 100 over 12 to get my 100 number. So I'm going to multiply my 5 by 100 over 12. So that would be 500 divided by 12. So that would be 4, 8, 48, 2, 0. So that would be 1, 41, 12, 8. So that's going to be 6, 41.6. For 80, that'd be 12. Yeah, so 41.6 is going to be our answer. Nice, bros. Auditioning, you just forgot to put it in percentage form. You gave it to me as a decimal, bro. Yeah, Tammy, that's also true. 32 degrees is freezing. Yeah. 34 is not it. It's 32 degrees. Yeah. So 32 degrees, you are freezing. Okay. All right. Just a couple more problems. I don't know how long I can go today. Okay, so let's do, let's see. Well, actually, do you guys have any suggestions on things you want to work on or things that you had questions about this week or anything like that? Because like now would be the time because I have a couple more problems, but they're like super like math intensive. So yeah, it's 32. Yeah. So if you guys have anything that you guys want to work on, just like let me know because like we have like I don't know, like 15 minutes left or whatever. Isn't boiling 212 saggy? Isn't that what it is? I don't know 100% what it is. I think it's 212, 240 or something. Transformations. What do you mean transformations, saggy? Like we can work on like some sort of transformations. Like you know what I mean? Like or adding fractions with variables in it. Yeah, we can definitely work on that. Algebra, hard questions where you need to know what is freezing. Yeah. Linear algebra. Okay, we can do some algebra. People are asking for algebra. Let's do that. So let's see here. Let me get a piece of paper I can do on. Give me a list of math things on the test. Yeah, dude, Ricky, if you go to my site, tylertutor.com/math, then all the math topics are there, my dude. Yeah, I can list all of them. Rotations. Yeah, Shad, it got monetized, bro. All right, see you, Shade. Okay, so I guess we could work on some algebra. So let me put together kind of a more difficult algebra problem for you guys. So okay, that's pretty cool. So Okay, yeah, that'll be pretty cool. All right, so let's do that. Wow. So then that would be cool. Negative 30. Okay, yeah, this was cool. Wait, no, that actually needs to be different. Hold on, let me rewrite this problem. Um, all right, cool. Algebra, let's go. How many boxes do I have to Tejas? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to answer that one, bro. Because originally I have 5, and then wait, 5 minus 2. So if you take away 2 from 5 and then 2. Yeah, that's a shot. 10 pi minus plus 8. That's the answer. Yeah. Dude, Daniel, you get to take it in November. That is so lucky, dude. That's a good setup. All right, I'll give you guys like another 30 seconds or a minute on this question. I kind of want to get the answer going. Segi got 3. Okay, buddy. Okay, Tammy got 3/5. Is this a redemption for Tammy? Sagi, you got 3. Okay, Ricky got 3/5 too. Nice. Nice. Good luck, Daniel. You can do it, bro. Listen to your heart. Follow your dreams. Rodney? Saggy. Venna. Nice, Venna. Shad. Ooh, crunchy. Maybe. I don't know. Auditioning. Oh, you had a stray mark. Yeah, that'll do it to you. All right, that's minute 30, bro. That's how this goes. Okay, animation. I got you. Rona. Word. Crunchy already got you too. Miscellaneous. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, okay, so let's do this one. I like rewriting my algebra equations. So 2x plus 27 equals, and then I'm going to distribute this. Negative 3x plus 30. Make sure you distribute that negative. So I'm going to add 3x to each side. So what I end up getting is 5x plus 27 equals 30. Yeah, I'm going to subtract 27 from each side. So 5x equals 3. Then I divide by 5 on each side, by 5. And so, yeah, x is going to equal that 3/5. Nice, dudes. Nice. Yeah, you guys can crush that all day. That was pretty solid. In all 7 schools in my district. Oh, really? That's crazy. Dude, it's so hard to get into specialized high schools. Like, no lie. It's like 3% get in. So it's like, it's not a walk in the park, basically what I'm trying to tell you guys. But I think you already knew that. Okay, cool. So I have a very quick question for you guys. I'm going to make a multiple choice because I don't want to go too crazy on this. But I just want to give you some options. Okay, so A is going to be 7. B is going to be, let's say, 14. C is going to be 21. And D is going to be 7, 5, 8, 9, 4. Okay, so guys, I have a question for you. Check it out. 7 to the 7th minus 7 to the 6th. A, B, C, or D? Yeah, that's crazy, Daniel. Dude, that's really lucky, bro. Yeah, dude. Major props to all you guys for going to school and then after school coming to grind with the stream. Like, that's so impressive to me. Saggy, Tiffany, Leo. Okay. Daniel. Got you. Auditioning's over here. Rodney's over here too. Saggy is trying to change his answer, but it's too late. Sean is trying to change his answer, but it's too late. Daniel says, oops. Oh, no. Tejas. Crunchy. That's so funny. Rona. Ricky's on A. Nice. Okay. Yeah, dude. It was a trap. Yeah, dude. Miscellaneous. Dude, I trapped you guys. I tricked you guys. Whoa, I tricked you guys. All right, so let's go through this. So one thing I want to show you, because you're thinking about subtraction and the bases are the same. But if you want to subtract, like let's say I have 7 to the 7th over 7 to the 6th. What that is like saying is, this is going to take a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I just expanded them. And dudes, once I expand the division, look what happens. We're just left with that 7. So when you have 7 over 7 to the 7th over 7 to the 6th, that's when you do the subtraction and end up with your 7th. For example, if I just have something where it's like 2 to the 3rd minus 2 to the 1st, okay, this is not equals 2 squared, because 2 to the 3rd is 8, 2 to the 1st is 2, that's going to equal 6, and 2 squared equals 4. So you cannot add and subtract that like that. So for this, you do have to expand it. 7 to the 7th is like this huge number. 7 to the 6th is like this huge number. And then you subtract them. But there's only one answer with a really huge number. And so that's how you know that it's right. This is not the same as saying 7. So yeah, you guys got tricked. But it's all good because you're not going to get tricked on the test. So you know what I mean? Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Which basically means that if you get fooled once, whatever, everybody gets tricked every once in a while. You get fooled twice, that's when you got to start self-evaluating. Yeah. So yeah, dude, that's how this goes in. That's how this one goes down. Yeah, you're not given a calculator, but I did see a test. I did see a question on a practice test that was like 4 to the 3rd plus 6 to the 3rd. So they do expect that you know how to do these like higher values of exponents. I just did this one really high so that this answer would stand out amongst these other answers. So you hopefully didn't have to do the math. You know what I mean? All right, cool. All right, cool. All right, bros. So on Monday, where's my paper? I'm trying. You guys have made me more conscious. I'm like conserving my paper now. You guys have finally gotten through to me. So guys, the OG stream applications end today. If you want to be in the OG stream, if you've been here for a while and you want to do some more advanced material in small group settings, let me know. Just email me. Like everything else on my website, it'd be free to you guys, so it's not like I'm selling you guys anything. But if you want to be in these streams, they will happen probably sometime after the daily stream. So I still be doing the daily stream, but I'm also going to be doing these OG streams just because I just want to give people who have been here a chance to like, you know, continue working in a smaller environment. So it's just going to be a handful of people. It's not going to be crazy or anything. But yeah, it is going to be fun, and we're still going to have fun on this stream. Like if you don't get into the OG thing, that's not that big of a deal because we're still going to be doing stuff. We're still going to be grinding. You know what I mean? So yeah, Ricky, send me an email. I'm going to put you guys in groups. You know what I mean? So yeah, is there an ELA website? Not really, but I've made a ton of ELA videos, Ricky. You could check those out, bro. Yeah. Yeah, that's true, Saggy. There is no rule. That's right. That's exactly it, bro. Yeah. So yeah, dude. So definitely, if you're interested in that, shoot me an email because obviously, like we're gonna be grinding. But if you guys also are interested, I'm going to be fixing DeepMind this weekend. I'm going to finally do it. So guys, go to my website after this weekend, tylertutor.com. We're gonna be playing, or at least I'm gonna be playing the new DeepMind game come Monday. So yeah, that's gonna be really really cool. So yeah, dudes, that was Friday, bro. That's our Friday stream. We made it. Smash that like button if you haven't already, because we're grinding on a Friday. I really did not think I was gonna make it through the stream today. I could not even stay awake all day. But yeah, Rodney, you can email me a question, man. I got you, bro. Same thing with James, son. You can send me an email about that quadratic. Also, James, if you go back in the stream, dude, we did a quadratic problem today. So that's about as hard of a quadratic problem as you're going to see on the SHSAT, the one that we did earlier in the stream. So if you're interested with that type of stuff, just kind of rewind the tape, bro. Yeah, yes, Venna, I am going to make the questions fresh. So it will be a new DeepMind in there for sure. Tiffany, you're late. Nah. Yeah, James, just look back into the video for sure. The iconic ending. Yep, that's it, Tejas. Absolutely iconic ending. Can you give me a pass so I could just start for the 57th? Leo, I think I'm going to make 1 through 57 different questions now. So you'll have to do it again. Because they'll be different. It's not like you have to just do the same questions over and over. There'll be different ones. But that's if I can get my stuff together, because this weekend is looking like mad crazy. More torturous math. Yep, Henry, that's exactly it, bro. All right, dude. So I'm gonna keep the stream up for a little bit so you guys can chat or whatever, because it's Friday and we're kicking it. But I am out of here, dudes. Shad, yep, it's the iconic ending. What a time to be alive. No static today. Have you guys noticed that we have not had static? That's been kind of crazy. Yeah, so definitely hit up my website if you're looking to study more. Definitely like the stream if you haven't already. We made it on a Friday, bros. It actually happened. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. So really good job today, bros. I will see you come Monday, and if you want to be in that OG stream, just shoot me an email or whatever, and we'll be there. So yeah, all right, dudes. So I'm gonna duck out of here and leave the stream up for a little bit. Cool. See ya.